How can just your close friends see your story Instagram? Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. As you see, for example, this is my Instagram. I will go to add a new story. For example, I will choose a picture. For example, I will choose, this is a video. For example, I wanna use just pictures, guys. This picture. Then I will go here. I will go down and click here close friends, and now it will go this story go just on close friends can see it. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.